Spoiler alert, here are the new subscriptions from Planything. Today I have two subscriptions to share with you. These are both from Planythings. These release November the 15th. That's when the subscription window opens up, meaning that you will receive these items that you're seeing right here. This is a monthly subscription from Planything. There's a washi tape subscription and then a planner goodies subscription that you can participate in, and you get monthly beautiful happy mail sent to your home, which is always fun to get. So in this video, we are going to dive in to these subscriptions, open them up, check them out, and then do a quick plan with me. All right, let's go. All right, let's start with the washi tape subscription. It's always fun to see what Amber comes up with each and every month as I kind of rip into this bag. I do try to save these bags because I find them so fun to use in my art journaling. So we have 6 brand new tapes, all of these in beautiful winter tones. I'm going to open them up and then we can swatch them out because I want you to be able to see them full out. All right, so let's check out all the different washi tapes. First of all, here is our seasonal washi tape. It is adorable snowman. Love, love, love. So cute. That one's beautiful. And then we have all of this series of blue colors, which I really like because it's this muted blue, kind of a grayish blue. Here's that in comparison to the grid. We have the spotty dot, kind of looks like snow. Here we have some grid washi and a little bit of a darker blue, which is super pretty. Here's some more grid washi. This one has blue as the grid. The background is like, I don't know, it's like a pinkish cream color, I would say. Really, really light. It's just not white. Then we have a gray honeycomb look, and what will always be my favorites would be the scallops, gray scallops. So beautiful washi tapes, perfect to add to your collection. You have 5 really great staples that you can use over and over again. You have 1 fun seasonal, which is awesome. I prefer that over, say, having 6 different seasonal washi tapes because you just don't get to use them that often. So that's the washi tape subscription. I have heard from some of my subscribers that the washi tape subscription has been really popular. Like that's the one they're tending to go for because it's A, very affordable, and B, it's just a fun way to build up your washi stash with basics that you're going to love, love, love. So don't sleep on the washi tape subscription. Amber from Planything does such a great job with these tapes, kind of pulling tapes that are going to go with A, other things that she's designing, and B, that just go with a ton of different books and stickers and all of that thing. So don't sleep on the washi tape subscription. Be sure to check that out. That is one subscription option. And then, of course, there is another one, and that would be the planner subscription. Okay, so we're calling this the planner subscription. It doesn't have a planner per se, but it does have some fun supplies in it that you will be able to use in your planner, including, yay, more washi tapes. Ooh, we're going different this month. Okay, I like it. Let's start out with washi tape. We're going more seasonal here. We have 4 different washi tapes. One is a pink grid. Very, very pretty. Love that one. This one appears to be a design. Let me open this one up. Upon first glance, I was thinking that it was houses, but I don't think it could be a row of houses, or it could just be a fun design. So let me get it going here and we'll see what it looks like once you roll it out. I think it could be either houses or a fun design. I keep seeing houses, but if I turned it a different way, I'd probably see something else. Then we have, oh my gosh, this is super pretty. Snowflake washi. Beautiful. Are they black and white snowflakes, or are they going to be blue? I think that'll be super cool to see. Let's get this one undone as well, because I think you're not going to be able to really tell until you see it all unrolled. Let me get it going. Okay, let's check it out. It does appear to have some blue to it, blues and grays. Those are really detailed snowflakes. I'm loving that. And then this set right here, or this washi tape, I believe, is just going to say Happy New Year, which is a lovely washi tape to pick up around this time of year, because can you believe that we are almost there? That is crazy, crazy, crazy. Happy New Year, just over and over. So, and then I didn't open up the pink because we all know what pink grid washi tape looks like. Those are fun and beautiful, and my guess is that they will coordinate beautifully with the other elements in this subscription kit. So let me wind these up, moving them to the side. Remember, those are going to be different washis than you receive in the washi subscription. So if you want all of the washis, then you will want to pick up both subscriptions and be ready to go. All right, so this month we get a stamp. This is a snowflake stamp. It is a clear stamp. What it is for these particular stamps, you need an acrylic block where you put the stamp on the block, you ink up the stamp, and then you stamp directly on to your planner spread or your card making or your journal, whatever it is you're working on. Super fun to play with stamps, and something new to try out, which I think is pretty darn cool. All right, she has also been releasing these, I call them dashboards. So basically these are pieces of cardstock that are gorgeous and beautiful. And if you have a half letter size planner, you can just punch these, put them directly in your planner if you would like. You can punch them and put them in your planner even if you don't have a half size letter planner. They are front and back. I tend to use them in planner spreads, tearing them up, using them in different ways. That's cute. Winter fun. Love that. With the ski lodge look in the background. That's fun. I tend to use them in that way. You could also, if you have a larger planner and you're wanting to use these maybe to make dividers, you could put this, you could mount it on a larger divider and like decorate around the divider with all the pieces in the kit. That would be fun to do as well. They'd also be fun to use to make like vision boards or goal setting for that particular month. All right. Last, but of course not least, something that we are always excited to see would be the sticker book. This one is called Winter Days. It has 20 sticker sheets. So that's a lot of sticker sheets. I'm excited. Beautiful scenic houses out in the country. Oh, I like the little mallard ducks in the front. Those are fun. Okay, repeat of that page, same page. All of these are on clear sticker paper. And we're getting a little bit more urban here. We have a city scene right here, but then, or sorry, a country scene, but a few more urban townhouse type brownstones with the blues involved. That's beautiful. Snowflakes. I love the blue. Blue in the wintertime is absolutely gorgeous. And then a few functional stickers. Very pretty. Gorgeous. This set I think is super fun with the skiing and the purple mountains. I think those are very cute. I love that. Lots of people to play with in those, which for me is the fun part of setting up some of those scenic pictures. So you get 2 of each page. Valentine's feel, all the Valentines, all the love. I like the heart pizza. I have friends that do a heart pizza each Valentine's. And then New Year's spread. Happy New Year. So fun. And then some functional stickers. So let's see. Wait, let's keep going. Hold on. There's some more at the back. Okay, we have quotes. Warm sweaters, hot cocoa, winter movies, and snow outside. Walking in a winter wonderland. Snowflakes are calling. Winter is coming. Cold days are for hot cocoa and warm socks. Winter is my favorite season. Those are cute. So let's take a look. It looks like to me you get a few different sets. You have this one, we'll call that neutral company, 1, neutral country, blues, that's 2, and I think this kind of falls in the same group. So that's all part of that. So you get those sets, more of that one. then functional. Then you get the mountain scenes. That one has a lot in it. That's 3, 4, 5. So 5 different like colorways, 5 different themes. Some of them have 4 pages to them. Some of them have 2 pages to them. It's a lot to create with for sure. And I think it is absolutely beautiful. So that is all part of that subscription kit for the planner. So that is the planner subscription kit. We have the beautiful washi for the washi subscription kit. And don't forget, they release November the 15th. I'll have all the info down below. It does help me out so much when you're able to use the affiliate links that I have below. So thank you in advance for doing so. All right, let's plan. All right, we are going to go with a bullet journal style layout. This is a new layout that I am playing with this month. It is available over my shop. It's like 5 different layouts that you can play with throughout the month, throughout the year, that are a bullet journal style. So on this particular one, I like the idea of kind of decorating in columns. So I'm taking some of the washi tape. This is from the subscription kit, tearing it in half. You can see I was kind of like fighting with the washi tape, trying to get it. I tore off too long of a piece to tear in half, and I have other techniques for tearing it in half, and I was just trying to go faster and it actually caused me to go slower. So usually when I'm tearing a long piece in half, I secure one end of the washi tape to the table and tear from there. Didn't do that, but that's okay. So we have the torn washi tape going down each edge. I just wanted it to have a little bit of a rustic feel, and then we're going to start playing with stickers. I am going to bring out my sticker guides. I use these from the Happy Planner to help me kind of plan out where stickers are going to go, especially for these newer layouts, because I end up changing my mind and moving things. So like I said, we're going to create 2 decorative columns on the left side and the right side. And I'm going to start with some of these beautiful winter home looks. These are going to be kind of anchors across the spread. I'm using the decorative stickers to anchor the spread, and then we will fill in functional stickers as well in both of these columns. What will I actually use these columns for during the week? Well, for me, it will probably be different list making things, maybe my kiddos' homework that we're supposed to be addressing, maybe some upcoming activities, a grocery list. There's some different things that I track, which is one of the reasons I love the flexibility of some of these layouts, because I'm not doing the same things each and every week. Some weeks I have different focuses than other weeks, so it's nice to have the opportunity to kind of customize each and every week for how I like to plan. All right, so you see that there's a couple of houses kind of in the middle of the spread. I'm going to end up moving those. I just didn't like how it felt like too much, which is shocking for me because normally I use like all the stickers. I flipped to the functional stickers that kind of go with each set, and we're going to add some functional stickers across the spread. I'm just playing with the placement, trying to figure out what will go where. Originally I had planned for this box to go on the left. It wasn't quite going to fit because that's a taller sticker. So this is one of the beauties of the sticker guides, you guys, because you can just move things around very, very easily, experiment and figure out where you want things, instead of having to second guess yourself when you finally put it on the paper and then tear up your paper and all that business. So one unique thing about Planything is all of her functional sticker books or functional sticker sheets within her books all end up having circle stickers, which I don't always use, but I think could be really helpful. So for instance, on that left side, I have those 2 circles. My boys, we've been monitoring homework very closely around here as we transition to some harder schoolwork. So it would be nice to use each of those circles, one for each boy, as kind of a check off or a checklist, just to mark off the homework that they're supposed to be working on that week, if it's a project, something like that. So I think it's fun to incorporate the circles, and it certainly breaks up the boxiness of the whole spread. All right, so this is when I decided I didn't like these stickers here. It was going to be too much. So we're going to take this sticker off. We're going to take the smaller house sticker and move it over to the right-hand side of the spread. We will cluster it over here with this piece right here. And then I'm going to speed this up because once I'm pretty good with where the placement's going to be, I do just transfer them to the page. Every now and then I make a change at the last minute when they go on the page, but the sticker guides just give you a chance to kind of play around and figure out where your stickers are going to go. Planything stickers tend to be very thick, which is awesome because they hold up so well when you're transferring them. The odds that I rip a Planything sticker are really small, especially compared to some other companies. So it's a really thick quality sticker, which feels great putting it down. It feels great on the paper. Like you're going to love these stickers. I can promise you. All right, got all the stickers transferred. Let's go ahead and cut off the excess. And then the last little detail I'm going to add is a little bit more washi tape. We're just going to tear little strips again, just to bring that grid pattern in under each and every day. And that's going to be it for this bullet journal layout with the brand new subscriptions from Planything. So don't forget, the subscription window opens today, November the 15th. So be sure to go get those. Those will sell out. So all the spots do fill up. So if you're interested, head on over right away. I do have the link down in the description box below. And once again, thank you in advance for using that link. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. Now is a great time to join our Patreon community. I say it all the time. My patrons are the absolute best. We have a fabulous time as a community, and there's some amazing things coming up for December and into January. You've got to trust me. If you've been thinking about it, now's the time to head over to patreon.com/ScrappyWife and join one of those rainbow tiers. All right. I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.